I was awarded an AMS starter grant for clinical lecturers to develop a new induced pluripotent stem cell model of the neuromuscular junction. Stem cell research is very expensive. It's impossible to get pilot data if you don't have funding behind you to get that started. I think the starter grant is a unique grant really for the timing at which it provides you the support, for recognising that you're doing clinical work as well and that it's related to that clinical work. I really benefited from the feedback from my grant application, so I got some really helpful feedback which adjusted some of the experiments that I've wanted to do. The starter grant funding was the crucial first step in going from being a PhD student working in someone else's lab to starting my own independent research career. What's fantastic is having the opportunity to build a team and combine basic scientists with clinical academics to try and drive our research questions forward. The starter grant is extremely well regarded both within the clinical academic community and in the wider research community. The thing that really changed for me was when I was doing part of my neurology training and I met a patient who has neuromuscular disease, and I couldn't believe that we couldn't do more for her. My academic career has been driven by patients initially, and now ongoing is driven by the patients that I see in my clinic now. The AMS Starter Grant allowed me to collect the data that I then used as part of my fellowship application for my current fellowship. Within the lab itself, I have 3 junior clinical academics as part of the integrated academic training pathway who are working on projects related to motor neuron disease. I am the academic strand lead for the medical school at Newcastle University, which gives me the opportunity to work with the medical students and try and provide more academic opportunities for those at the very start of their clinical academic career. The Starter Grant has given me the opportunity to develop my grant writing skills, my research skills, my supervisory skills, and learning how to be a mentor.
So I've spent many years supporting the careers of the brightest young clinical academics, both nationally and in our structures here locally in Newcastle. And this scheme is integral to their success because it allows the best people on the integrated academic training pathway to develop their ideas and to fund their pilot studies. And Helen is a perfect example of that.